Good morning, students. Good morning to all. I welcome you all for today's composite material class. Today, I am going to discuss about the one of the most economical process to manufacture the polymer matrix composites. One is one of the low cost processing method, that is the hand layup process. So I'm going to discuss about the what are the different processing steps in the hand layup process, what are the different advantages, disadvantages. Okay, all those things I'm going to discuss about in the today's class. Okay. Okay, mainly uh, today I'm going to cover about the different processing steps. Okay, and after that detailed explanation of these all these processing steps. After that, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what are the different applications of this particular uh, composites that are manufactured or processed through the hand layer process. Okay, so already mentioned. Today I am going to discuss about the hand layer process. Okay, so mainly to manufacture any composite material by using the hand layer process, we require a simple setup. Okay, we require a simple mold. Okay, can use we require one open mold. Okay, based on the shape of that product, we have to prepare the mold. With the mold should be a open mold. Okay, after that we'll prepare the like uh, polymer matrix, and based on the requirement we can add the different reinforcement. Okay, and we'll I'll explain in detail about this particular hand layer process, step by step process in the coming slides. Okay, so mainly the hand layer process is the one of the generally preferred and easy to produce polymer composite material processing method. So most of the people, if they want to produce this composite polymer matrix composite low cost, so this hand layer process is the one of the low cost processing method. Okay, in this different processing steps are there. The first processing step is the mold preparation. Okay, already mentioned that whatever the composite material, polymer matrix composite material we want, we have to prepare. Okay, so that composite material, prepare that PMC, polymer matrix composite, any product. First, the related mold. Okay, mold we have to prepare. Okay, whatever the shape of the product, based on that, we have to prepare the one open mold. Okay, first we have to prepare the mold. Okay, and after that we will apply some releasing agent. Okay, so we'll apply some releasing agent over the mold. We'll coat one releasing agent over the mold. So maybe you can use the wax material, or in market there are different type of sprays they are available, so that releasing agents will apply over the mold. Okay, so the mold you can prepare by using the materials. You can use the wood, you can use the metals, or different other materials also we can use where the mold. Okay, so once after the preparation of the open mold, we'll apply the releasing agent, because after the fabrication of your polymer matrix composite by hand layer process, we have to remove the product from our open mold. So to avoid the sticking of that product to the molding material, we are going to apply some releasing agent. Some people will use wax as the one of the releasing agent, or other different spraying like different materials also they can spray over the mold. So that is the first processing step in the hand layer process. And the next step is the we can apply the gel coat over the application. Sometimes a thin layer of gel coat is applied uh, over the mold surface such a way that we get the smooth surface finish to protect the composite. Okay, we can apply the gel coat, okay, over the this particular mold such a way that can get the good surface or smooth finish we can get. Okay, for that purpose we have to add the some different gel coat we have to apply over the mold surface such a way that we can get the smooth surface. Okay, next step is the fiber placement. Once after you applied the preparing the open mold, you'll apply some releasing agent. After that, we will apply some coatings to give the good surface finish. After that, we'll place the fibers. Okay, we'll place the different types of fiber. We can use the different synthetic fibers, or we can use the natural fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers means like glass fiber, carbon fibers, okay, or aramid fibers. These are the different types of synthetic fibers, or we can use the natural fibers. Okay, we can use like jute fiber. Okay, jute fiber is one of the like natural fibers, or different fruit extraction fibers also. You can use sometimes banana extracted fibers, pineapple extracted fibers. These also you can use as the natural fibers. So based on the application, you can choose different synthetic fibers, or you can choose the natural fibers. So like what are those different natural fibers? Natural fibers, those are extra fibers that are extracted from the different natural uh, things, like maybe fruit extracts are different, tree fibers are different things. Those comes under the natural fibers, or we can use the different synthetic fibers, you can use the carbon fibers, or you can use the glass fibers, or you can use the aramid fibers. So like that, you can use the different fibers. You have to place. There will be like you can use chopped or cutted mats, or you can use the continuous fibers, or you can use the discontinuous fibers, or you can use the continuous, or you can use the discontinuous fibers. And these fibers are placed in the mold. Okay, okay, that is the third step. And after that, we'll apply the uh, fourth step is the resin application. So once after the preparation of the mold, we have to apply the mold releasing agent. After that, we will apply the some special coating, gel coating, to give the good surface finish. And after that, we place the like fiber, maybe a synthetic, or you can fiber, or you can use the synthetic fiber, or you can use the natural fibers. After placing this like natural fibers or synthetic fibers, we'll apply the resin. Resin is applied. They will apply the this particular. By you can take any brush, and we dip the brush into the resin. So the resin is the matrix material. Okay. So by means of the brush, roller, or other different techniques, we'll apply the resin over the fibers. So this is the fourth steps, and after that, this process will repeat depending upon the thickness. We'll apply first one layer of reinforcement. Over that, we'll apply the resin, that is matrix material, by means of the brush, and after that, based on thickness, you keep on add the different layers of reinforcement of fibers. Okay, once after again adding second layer of the reinforcement, again you can apply the resin by means of the brush or roller. And after that, again you after you can add the different number of fibers. So before adding the this particular uh, multiple layers, so that whatever the this application of the resin over the matrix material, that a resin whatever thing applied over the fiber, that should get cured. That is the step 5. Okay, so the composite is cured at the room temperature, or you can use sometimes, depending upon the requirement, you can use oven. You can maintain some controlled temperatures, okay, for curing. Okay, so after curing, again you apply the one more layer like that. You can add the different number of layers, you can keep on add, and you can subject it to the curing process. Okay, once after the adding the different number of layers, the layer, you can add multiple layers also to prepare the polymer matrix composite. uh, After adding one layer of matrix resin, you can add one more fiber, and over that you can add the another layer of fiber, and over that again you can add one more layer of resin. Like that you keep on add the reinforcement and resin, that is matrix material, based on the thickness of your product or component. And after that you can subject entire this product is subjected to the curing. During the curing, the composite is lived for certain time for the to get cured. It may take some hours, or sometimes will take days, based on the size of the component and what is the type of reinforcement you are using. Based on that, it can take the time, maybe few hours, or it may take some several days also, waiting based on the type of the size and dimensions of the product. So during the curing, you can use the room temperature, or you can use the uh, cure the component by means of the oven also, by using the controlled temperatures to get to make that faster curing may happen. If you are using the oven, such a way that you are painting some controlled temperature, by that you are doing the curing process. So this is the diagram related to the hand layer process. This is the diagram related to the hand layer process. So this is the like simple diagram that we can commonly use to describe the hand layer process. We already mentioned that first we have to prepare the open mold. Okay, first we have to prepare the open mold. So this is the mold. Okay, after that over this particular mold we'll apply the first the mold releasing agent will apply over this particular open mold, over the surface of this particular mold. Okay, that most probably people use the wax as the mold releasing agent. Okay, so that mold releasing agent, that is wax, is applied over entire surface of this particular mold. Okay, and after that, so this you can see that the releasing gel. Okay, this is the this particular one, this is the releasing gel. Okay, that may be a wax coating, or can use other different spray material that are available in the market, that is applied over the surface of this particular open mold. After that okay, if they required, we can add the some special coating gels, we can apply over this particular surface of the releasing gel, that may give good surface finish. For that purpose, we can add some different special coatings to give the better surface finish. And after that, we'll place the reinforcement. So this is the reinforcement. You can see this is the reinforcement. Okay, this one is the reinforcement. So this is the releasing gel, black one. Okay, this one is the releasing gel. So the releasing gel is like, maybe it may be a like wax coating, or other different coating material will be applied to make such a way that while once you prepare the product, okay, to remove the this product or element from the open mold without sticking that surface of mold to the product. For that, we are going to add the this particular and releasing gels. This in this particular diagram, this black color shaded one is related to the releasing gel, and after that we are applying the reinforcement. This is this pink color one. Okay, this pink color one is the reinforcement. Okay, the reinforcement already mentioned that to give the we already mentioned that in composite material, the main ingredients or main components are the matrix and reinforcement. To improve the properties, we'll add the reinforcement. So that reinforcement may be natural fibers, or you can add the synthetic fibers. So this pink color one, this diagram is what we are showing, the shaded with the pink color is comes known as the reinforcement fiber reinforcement, that we can use as like the fiber reinforcement as natural fibers, or you can use the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means that fibers are glass fibers or carbon fibers, aramid fibers. Natural fibers means the extract from the natural resources like plant extracts or fruit extracts, banana fibers, pineapple fibers. Those things comes under the natural fibers. After placing this reinforcement, okay, we'll apply the next component in the matrix, polymer resin. Okay, we'll one of the mostly used polymer resin is the epoxy. Okay, this is the epoxy material we are applying by means of the we'll pour the uh, coating of this particular, we are here you can see by means of a one glass container we are pouring the resin, that is the polymer resin, that is the matrix material. So by means of the glass we are pouring the matrix material into the open mold. Okay, after that we'll use the roller. Okay, or you can use the one brush. We can keep on apply the polymer resin. We'll slightly press by means of the roller such a way that we will avoid the formation of voids or bubbles. For that, by means of the roller, we are slightly pressing the resin towards the reinforcement. That is the process. So this is the process. So once after the application of one layer of fiber and one layer of uh, polymer, next layer also, like again next layer of fiber you can place over the this particular polymer resin. Okay, and after that again you can pour the next layer of resin, you can pour over the fiber reinforcement. After that you can use the roller. By means of the roller you can press this resin towards the reinforcement to avoid the bubble formations or air entrapments, to avoid air entrapments in the matrix and matrix. For that we are going to use the, by means of the roller we are pressing the this particular matrix resin towards the reinforcement. Like that you can add n number of layers of matrix and n number of reinforcements you can apply by the same process. You can repeat multiple times, and by that you can prepare the composite material by using the hand wave process. This is the, and after that once you complete the process, desired thickness is achieved, then you can the next step is you can curing process. Okay, you can leave the product to the open air and atmospheric conditions, or sometimes you can use the some pressure also. You can apply some pressure by means of UTM machine to, so such a way that the entire resin distribute properly throughout the reinforcement. Further, sometimes the people use some extra pressure is applied over the this particular material. Okay, so after get curing, we'll remove the entire this particular element. Okay, you will remove the entire material and will use it for our intended applications. Okay, yeah, like next thing is the what are the advantages hand layer process. Mainly the one of the main advantage already mentioned, it is so it is very simple open mold we are using here, so it is very low cost, the capital investment is very less, and we can it is very versatile for producing very complex shapes. Only thing is preparing the mold is very important thing. So you can produce very complex shapes also. If you are able to prepare the mold, then you can able to create multiple shapes. And it is even suitable for small scale production. Why? Because the very simple mold we are going to use, and just one roller brush, and where that is the simple tools we are using in preparing the composite material, very less costlier one. That's why this particular process is very suitable for small scale production, mainly because due to this low capital investment. Okay. And disadvantages of this particular hand layer process is because this particular hand layer process is very labor intensive. Okay, because preparing mold, and after that we are applying the fiber, and this resin layer. This will take time consuming process, and also very labor intensive process. And also there are due to sometimes if are not doing the proper preparation of this particular process during the handover process, it may cause some different defects, and also it may cause some poor quality. Part quality may not up to the mark. Okay, the maybe sometimes bubble formation, the air entrapments that are done during the process, may due to that the part quality may be deteriorated. Okay, you may not get the accurate part quality. That is also one of the disadvantage. Okay, and also that proper control of fiber orientation is also one of the disadvantage of this particular and air process. These are the uh, three disadvantages of this particular process, mainly labor intensive, and there is very potential. This particular process is very potential for variations in the part quality, and there is a very limited control over the fiber orientation. Mainly the applications of hand layer process are like can produce different automobile components, marine hulls and different decks, wind turbine blades, aircraft components, industrial tanks and pipes, and much more different components can produce by using this particular hand layer process. Okay, students. Today I discussed about the what is hand layer process and what are the different processing steps. Okay, preparation of the open mold. After that, we have to apply the mold releasing agent. If required, the third step is we'll have to apply some special gel coating such way that to improve the surface finish. And after that, I will place the fiber mat over the surface of the open mold. And after that, by using different container or glass, will powder the resin mixture, that is matrix material, over the reinforcement. After that, distribute the proper distribution of the matrix over the reinforcement by means of the brush, and by means of the roller. Will apply the roller pressure such a way that the entire that matrix material properly distribute towards the reinforcement. Once the roller will roll the surface over the surface of the matrix material such way that the resin will distribute properly over the reinforcement material. You can use different synthetic fibers, or you can use the natural fibers as the reinforcement. And after that, the final step is the curing process. You can within the room temperatures also you can get the component get cured, or you can apply, you can use the, you can take out the component and you can put the component in the oven. That is the final step, that is the curing process. So in controlled temperatures in the oven can get the cured the but sometimes the people will apply, because whatever the component taken out from the mold, that component for the proper distribution of the resin into the reinforcement, the people will place the they can apply some load over the material. Okay, such a way that the resin material, that is matrix material, uh, gel will be properly distributed into the reinforcement. This is the thing I discussed in the today's class. I discuss all the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of this particular hand layer process. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, students. Thank you.